admit it's been a little difficult to film any cleaning or decluttering videos for my channel ever since the new year. Luckily, I have my dear friend Michelle from MyEveryDayWifeLife who asked me to collab with her making some laundry motivation. I mean, what a great way to motivate yourself to getting things done around the house. I've been doing a load of laundry per day, it seems, as we're staying in Las Vegas. Guests, dinner parties, and such keep the laundry going. I don't mind doing laundry for the most part, but it's the whole timing of it that usually deters me. Starting a load of laundry is easy peasy. It's the timing of the dryer that gets me. Will I be around? Will I be able to fold or hang the clothes before they get wrinkled or left in the dryer? I don't know. Okay, last load of my mom's laundry. Just gotta fold these up. Alright, you guys, it's like 4 o'clock. And I only know that because Ellen is on. My mom. Hopefully, she's starting to get up so I can do physical therapy with her. And Jay has been working on cleaning the bathroom. I tell you, I don't know where the day goes. I'm going to be losing daylight here pretty soon, and that's a wrap. I just need more time in the day. Don't we all, right? Here I wanted to do this and do that, and these are still damp. So back they go. Second time. It is now about 4:45, I think. Oh. Mom is up. It's go time for physical therapy. A little bit late, but hey, this is how it's been. I don't know. Oh, and Jay started to clean. So the stuff I wanted to film, I didn't even get a chance to film. YouTuber problems. Alright. Okay. See you later. Laundry is all put away. Torture is over. Just kidding. Yay me. Now on to the rest of the day. Put a load in and happy washing. See you on the next one.